Today, I'll show you how to activate Protonmail, including enabling the short email domain so you can start using your secure inbox right away. We'll go step by step on desktop, and I'll explain what each action does, so you always know why you're clicking something, not just where. First, make sure you're already signed into your Protonmail account in a web browser. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open a new tab, or simply type the address into your current one and go to protonmail.com. If you're already inside your inbox, you might be redirected there automatically, and that's perfectly fine. The important thing is that you're on the main Protonmail interface where you can see your messages and the usual navigation. Next, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon which represents your settings. This is where Protonmail keeps all the options that control how your account behaves, including identities, addresses, and paid features. Click on that gear icon to open the settings panel. Depending on your layout, you may see a quick settings sidebar, but for what we're doing, we need the full settings view. So after the settings area opens, find and click on All Settings. This will take you to the main settings dashboard, which is organized into different sections along the side or top of the page. From this main settings page, look for the section called Identity and Addresses. This is where you manage the email addresses connected to your account, including any additional addresses, display names, and special domains you can use. Go ahead and click Identity and Addresses to open that page. Once you're there, scroll until you find the section labeled Short Domain or something similar referencing the @pm.me address. Protonmail's short domain lets you use a smaller, cleaner address that ends in pm.me, which can be easier to share and remember. Next to that short domain option, you'll see a small information icon, usually a lowercase I inside a circle. Click that I icon. This opens more details about the feature and how to activate it. In the information panel, Protonmail will explain that the short domain is part of a paid plan. To activate it, look for the option that says something like Get Mail Plus for $1 or a similar low-cost offer. Mail Plus is one of Protonmail's entry-level paid plans, and activating it is what unlocks the short domain, along with a few other features. Click the button or link to get Mail Plus. You'll now be taken to a payment setup page. Here you need to choose and set up your payment method. Protonmail typically supports several options, such as credit or debit cards, and sometimes alternative payment methods, depending on your region. Carefully enter your payment details and double check that the billing information is correct, including the plan and the price, before moving on. Take a moment to confirm the subscription duration as well, so you know whether you're paying monthly or on another schedule. Once everything looks good with your payment method and plan details, click the Pay button to finalize your purchase, and the system will process your payment. And after a brief moment, your Mail Plus plan should be active. When that's done, your Protonmail account is now activated with Mail Plus, and the short domain address should be enabled under Identity and Addresses. You can start using your new pm.me address for sending and receiving emails, enjoying a more compact and professional looking address while keeping Protonmail's privacy and security features.